Hello guys, review Xiaomi Redmi 13, Xiaomi Redmi Note 13, this 5G version, 8GB, 6GB RAM memory and 128GB storage. Open box, device in the black color, and in complementation we have adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Okay. Turn on device, on the right side power button, warm buttons, triple camera, 108 megapixels, upside headphone jack, downside Type-C port and speaker. Okay, open settings, look Android version, we have MIUI 14.0.3 and Android 13. Okay, look onto the benchmark results, we have MediaTek Dimensity 6080, this octa-core processor and GPU Mali G57. Display resolution Full HD+, and look results. Okay, close this. And now open camera. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level on this device. Okay, open camera, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.